In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog on Shopify. Starting a blog on Shopify is a great way to create engaging content around your products, establish your brand as an authority, and drive traffic to your store. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. When you log into your Shopify store, you'll land on the home page. This is where all the magic begins. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. Here, look for an option labeled Content. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that. This area is essentially the control center for all the media, articles, and blog posts that you'll be adding to your store. Now that you're in the Content section, you'll notice several options. We're going to focus on blog posts. Click on Blog Posts, and this will bring you to a new page where you can manage all of your blog content. This is where your creativity and ideas will come to life. Let's create a new blog post. To do this, find the button labeled Create Blog Post. Clicking on this will open a blank canvas where you can start developing your blog entry. At the top of this page, you'll see a field for title. Click on the title section and think about a compelling headline for your post. Remember to keep it catchy and relevant to draw your readers' attention. Next, direct your focus to the Content section. Click on this area to start writing the body of your blog post. This is where you'll provide valuable information, share stories, or offer insights into your brand or products. Engaging content is key to keeping your audience interested and coming back for more. So take your time with this part. Consider structuring your post with headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make it easy to read. After you've completed your blog post, it's time to decide on its visibility settings. Click on Visibility to manage who can see your post and when it goes public. You can choose to publish it immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Now let's add some visual appeal to our blog post by clicking on the Image section. Adding images can significantly enhance your post by breaking up text and making it more visually appealing. Choose images that are relevant to your content and complement the theme of your blog post. That wraps up the basics of setting up a blog on Shopify. Remember, this is just the beginning, and blogging is an ongoing process. Keep creating content regularly to build a strong connection with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.